Hey, welcome to my channel where I've lost 175 pounds with keto and carnivore. Thank you for watching. Hello, it is Easter evening and I got to get ready for work tomorrow. So let's see what we're going to take. Got my breakfast, my egg casserole and some yogurt. I've got some, this is marked as work pasta salad. So it's what I'm taking to work to let them taste. Work baked jicama. So I want them to taste it. And then pork. Let's see what's on the pork. Is there anything on the pork? No. It looks like I might have tried to season it. But I'm going to go on and add some barbecue to it. So hang on. Alright, we're going to put some hickory, G-Hughes hickory barbecue sauce on it. Just a little. Don't want a whole lot. And then, because then we're going to also add some G-Hughes honey mustard. So, this is 2 tablespoons for 20 calories. I've told y'all his salad dressings are like 100 and some odd calories. But you could buy this honey mustard if you like honey mustard salad dressing. And you could thin that out and use that for a salad dressing if you wanted. And that would be really good. But I digress. So tomorrow I'll heat that up. And then my work, like I said, I'm taking the baked jicama to work for them to try. And I'm taking them the pasta salad to try. And then I got my yogurt. So whatever's left over is going to be my side for tomorrow. So that's why I'm not taking an extra side. Because they may or they may not taste it. I never know, you know. Sometimes they're brave, sometimes they're not. Or sometimes they're brave and they'll take a couple bites and sometimes not. But I'm also going to take some tomatoes. So I'll have that. Spoon and a fork, and then I use the I use the plastic spoon for my yogurt and for my breakfast. So then I don't have to dirty up 2 sets of silverware. So that's ready to go in the fridge. In the morning, let me rearrange you. In the morning, I will have what is this? Just the Walmart classic roast coffee. I'll have that in the morning. And I'm going to put it in one of these tomorrow. These things, I've washed them in the dishwasher so many times. So they're like not, the enamel on the inside's coming off. But, you know, it's me. If that doesn't kill me, who knows what will, you know. I'm going to go on and put some electrolytes in it. So that way it's ready in the morning. I forgot to make some this weekend, but I'll do it this week and show y'all. So some electrolytes, and then I'll put a little bit, in the morning I'll put some classic hazelnut and a squirt of stevia. And that's my plan for in the morning. This is too tall to fit under here, so I have to use a different type of cup. So I'll use that one and I'll make that in the morning. So, all right, see you at breakfast. I can't meal prep next weekend, and maybe not the next weekend. I have so much food that I don't have space for anything else in my freezer. It's like almost obscene. It's like I should be ashamed of myself. That's cheeses down there and a bag of fruit that I bought and keep forgetting to nibble on. These are frozen pepperoni. Got a bag of those, and then that's some, oh yeah, that's frozen, what's that? Pico de Gallo. And I've got, what is this one? Some frozen red onions and white onions. And the hard salami from the thing I made today. And cream of mushroom, cream of chicken soups. These are the breakfast casseroles. I made enough for 12 days, plus had 3. So that's 15 days, but I don't eat them on the weekend. So yeah, I probably won't have to make any for about 4 weeks. Up here, so this refrigerator, this thing did not come with the freezer on purpose, because as a meal prepper, I knew I needed to be able to all that extra space. The freezers I looked at, it didn't have this because it was the spout thing, and you had about that much. That was the ice maker. So I'm like, nope. So that little pink bucket back there is where I put my ice. These are 4 of the spaghetti squash. This is these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These 6 are things that I made up this weekend. I put these are the two serving containers, and then I ended up freezing. I don't even know what all I got in here. Oh, I think that might be I have no idea. We'll find out whenever I pull it out. Down here we've got rice chicken. That's just ground beef that needs to go up top, but obviously there's no room because this is where I put all my meals, and some peas and carrots, and there's my ice makers. I break my neck just to get to them. I don't even know what the heck's in that little container back in there. What's in here? This is all sides, but look, it's 3 deep of sides. So we're talking rutabaga, green beans, something. This is something I made this weekend. I don't even know what it is. I don't even know what this thing is. Oh, I have no idea. I'd have to open it up to find out. Then I've got some, that's all cubed jicama. And there's some sliced onions. That's some cut up peppers I just did because I realized when we get over here, I'll show you the refrigerator. And then that's just some fat bites for the dogs. And then there's some tallow. Some, what do you call it before it comes tallow? Suet there. So yeah, now we come over here to the refrigerator. So my little rotation, I've got Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursdays already. Because this is already packed. And actually these are extra. I really should have put them in the freezer, but it is what it is. I can maybe get to it. Maybe it'll be ready. Wait, what I say? Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. I can eat that Friday. Then this aisle, a row, I've got my yogurts that I eat. And of course, I had to have 2 plain yogurts for whatever reason. Got my cheese. Back there, got my eggs. And there's some the jicama chips. Oh, hey, I also forgot to tell you, I'm taking my the chips that I made. I'm taking those with me to work. Some sliced jicama that I won't have time to eat, so I really should toss in the freezer. But I want to see how long they last. And there's some yogurt and some bacon pieces and some more bacon pieces all back in there. That's this shelf. So, yeah, so that shelf. This down here, that's the dog broth. And then Baxter's green beans. What is this? Pepperonis. I need to just toss those in the freezer because I ain't going to be eating them anytime soon. Baxter's broth, Baxter's green beans. Got a little light sour cream here. Some Parmesan that I never get to. This that I bought that I need to just dump down the drain, but I'm not going to do it yet because, it's almost bedtime. I got some ghee in there. I keep my ghee in the refrigerator since I only use it every weekend. And it helps me. It lasts like a year or 2. I've got one that I've been working on. This one. What's the expiration date on this bad boy? 2022. I'm still using this one, and it tastes great just being in the refrigerator. And some fat back there, and some verde salsa. And then, I haven't used that in a while. Why? Because it's been hidden and I can't get to it. I've got this. That's my harissa. And then this was that gross stuff. But that might be good to dip. I'm going to take that with me to work tomorrow in case they don't have a dip. That's something that it's that Parmesan and something or another. I have no idea. But anyway, they might want to try that for dip. Then we come down to this row. Got my pickled veggies. Can't eat on those this week because I'm full of sides. And then some peppers. I might grab a handful here and there. Some celery I bought. cabbage. I'm not freezing cabbage. Hopefully it'll keep on hanging strong. And then I've got some marinara sauce back there. What is this? Some celery. That's going to go bad. What is this one? Cubed jicama. I need to find a place to put it in here because I'm not going to be eating it any this week. And I'd rather freeze it so I could use it another time. And they need to make these things flexible. Oh, wait a minute. Maybe I can put it up in my ice bucket. Hang on, let's see if that works. Oh, here we go. That works. All right, because I don't want them to go bad. That's the bad thing about eating. Oh, poop. There's some raw onions. I'll shoot a monkey. I think I tried that shelf already and it didn't work. Maybe if I put that in first, maybe. Oh, hold up, I'm about to drop it all. That didn't work so well. All right. I won't admit defeat. Nope, I won't admit defeat. Oh, there's a little space right back in there. Listen, if I tell you all, I am going to the grocery store next weekend. And if you see me, if I say anything about buying anything, I need y'all to drive to Cape Girardeau, Missouri and slap the ever-living snot out of me. All right, peppers. I'm going to leave these peppers out. I shouldn't. I did them last weekend. I'm going to leave them out, and I don't want them to go to waste, y'all. All right, this is what we're going to do. This is the life of a hoarder, okay? This is the life of a hoarder. But it's just hang on, I gotta, there. It can fit in the ice bucket. I don't drink ice. It's so dadgum cold. I haven't been able to use any ice. There. I feel better. I'm not gonna freeze celery. That was only $2. I can trash that and not feel sad about it. I could see if I could squeeze some in these little pickle jars, but yeah, I'm okay with that. And the cabbage, I'm not going to cry about. I should toss one in the freezer and see what happens, but I won't. We'll see. We'll see how long this lasts in my freezer down in here. You know, I made it. I cut that up last weekend. So, yeah, because I can't have any salads this week. I mean, I want to, but I can't because I got so many sides up there in the top. Ay. This is my life. I am such a hot mess. Okay, bye. Good morning. I've got my yogurt and tomatoes. That's really all I'm hungry for. So that's what I'm having for breakfast. See you at lunch. I'll tell you what everybody thinks about the food that I brought. Hello. Well, my coworkers liked the pasta-less salad, and they liked the jicama. And they like the chips. So everybody took a bite. And they said that the next potluck, I should bring those baked jicama, but not tell people what it is. So we'll do that at the next potluck. And I'll just put it like in a crock pot and let it kind of, stay warm throughout the potluck. It'll be interesting to see how that works. And if anybody eats it. Okay, bye. Lunchtime. Supper tonight is what I've been eating for this recently. So this is the baked jicama and pulled pork. So I left a couple servings out so that I could eat around on that. So yeah, that's going to be my supper tonight. I'm going to add some G. Hughes hickory barbecue sauce. So I got Bible study, so I need to, it's 4:15, so I got to eat before I go. All right, so now I'm going to microwave that for 2 minutes. All right, so my baked jicama, same as lunchtime. But you know me, I don't care. I can do the same thing days in a row. If I like it. If I don't like it, no. But if I like it, I sure can. And pulled pork, I'm looking for a small bite. That's my supper. Bye.